In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the URL slug for a product on your Wix site. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure that your product URLs are optimized for both search engines and your site's visitors. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head over to your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one where the product you wish to edit is located. Your Wix dashboard is your central hub, offering various tools and options to customize and manage your site. So getting comfortable navigating here can significantly benefit your workflow. Next, on the left-hand panel, you'll see an option labeled Store Products. Click on this option. This will lead you to a list of all the products you currently have listed on your site. It's an excellent place to manage inventory and ensure everything is up to date and accurate. Once you're on the products page, look through your list to find the specific product whose URL slug you wish to edit. Once you've located the product, look for the three dots icon next to it. Think of these three dots as a gateway to additional actions you can perform on this product. Clicking on it will present you with a few different options. Select Edit Product from this list. After you choose to edit, you'll find yourself in the product settings, where you can change various details related to this item. For our purposes today, you'll want to click on Edit SEO Settings. This section is crucial because optimizing your product's SEO can significantly affect its visibility in search engines, potentially bringing more visitors to your site. Within the SEO Basics tab, locate the field labeled URL Slug. This is the part of the URL that directly affects how search engines and visitors perceive your product page, so it's important to make sure it's both relevant and succinct. Carefully enter the new URL you want. Consider using keywords that accurately represent your product while remaining user-friendly and easy to remember. Once you've made your changes, it's critical to click on Save to ensure all your edits are applied correctly. This step will update the URL for your product, making it more SEO-friendly. Saving your changes is a common step that can sometimes be overlooked, but it's essential for making sure your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated the URL slug for a product on your Wix site. Regularly reviewing and updating your SEO settings can have a lasting impact on your site's performance and reach. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.